Hi there, it's Karen, another episode of What You Really Need to Know About Real Estate. Today I wanted to talk about a question that I get all the time, which is what can I do to get my house ready for the market, which gives me the most bang for my buck? And unfortunately, a lot of people wait till the last minute and they don't get to enjoy these kind of simple, easy, not too expensive tips that I tell them to do. So today I'm actually going to share with you because a couple months ago, one of my clients said, I'm selling my house next spring, but I kind of want to enjoy it. So we walk through the house and really focus on the kitchen because that's the main focus that buyers will usually go to. And without spending too much money, he gave me a budget and I use all of my licensed contractors. We really gave his kitchen a super nice facelift. Some of the things that I start with are, simply by changing the hardware on your cabinets. If your cabinets are outdated, by going and get a nice current hardware, it can give an instant lift without spending too much money. Another example is cabinets. People feel like they always need to replace their cabinets if they're old or just outdated, when in fact I have had my people paint their cabinets, and it's so much less expensive and really gives the whole kitchen a nice, light, brighter look. Especially these days, I'm painting a lot of them white with a nice large hardware piece that really gives it a nice current look. Some other examples are backsplash. I will actually go myself to the store and pick out a nice backsplash that gives a little pop in the kitchen, make it a little bit, a little bit razzle dazzle, a little fancy, but still neutral enough that any buyer would enjoy it. There's so many other tips I have. If you're thinking about selling, give me a call. I'm happy to come over, safely, of course, and take a look and let you know what I think you can do to really get the most bang for your buck and maybe enjoy it now before you're selling. I've been doing this 17 years. I love what I do and I'd love to help you. So call, email, text. Have a great day. Bye.